The iBUYPOWER Slate Mesh Gaming PC Desktop Computer is a powerhouse machine designed for gamers, creators, and multitaskers. Before we dive in, make sure to check the link to this gaming PC in the description below at the latest price. This model features the Intel Core i7-14700F processor, a 20-core beast built for both high-end gaming and serious productivity. Whether you're live streaming, editing videos, or grinding through intensive multiplayer titles, the CPU maintains smooth and efficient operations. Paired with Windows 11 Home, your entire digital ecosystem runs faster and more securely, straight out of the box. At the heart of the gaming experience lies the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5070 12GB graphics card. This GPU offers next-generation ray tracing, lightning-fast frame rendering, and DLSS 3.0 support, which translates to smoother gameplay, higher frame rates, and ultra-crisp visuals. Whether you're diving into AAA titles or competitive esports games, the RTX 5070 ensures immersive graphics without compromise. The 32GB DDR5 RGB RAM clocked at 5200 MHz complements the GPU's capabilities by providing rapid data processing and seamless multitasking, ideal for gamers who stream or run multiple applications simultaneously. It's not just powerful, it's efficient and visually striking, thanks to the dynamic RGB memory lighting. Storage and design are equally impressive. With a 1TB NVMe SSD, you get blazing fast boot times, rapid game loading, and ample space for all your files and media. The tempered glass RGB case isn't just about aesthetics, it offers superior airflow and customization with 16-color RGB lighting. The system also includes 6 USB 3.1 ports, onboard audio, and built-in 802.11 AC Wi-Fi, making it well connected and ready for all your peripherals. A free RGB backlit gaming keyboard and mouse complete the setup, so you can plug in and start gaming right away. This PC is built to deliver top-tier gaming experiences and long-term reliability without any unnecessary software clutter. Whether for gaming, business, or everyday computing, the iBUYPOWER Slate Mesh stands out as a balanced, future-ready solution.